Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are gonna talk about Thinkific, which is really nice education domain. So, what is Thinkific? Thinkific platform is a business-friendly course creation solution that enables businesses and individuals to easily and fully sell, create and deliver fully customizable courses online through their creative functionalities. It is ideal for experts and professionals who desire to share their knowledge online or employ education as a module of their existing business. It customizes Mind preset styles, white labeling, and much more advanced customization settings, making it a powerful and versatile online course solution, thereby ensuring to offer a whole new experience. Thinkific is an ideal business and user-friendly solution, fully optimized for every platform and device, where students can avail of these services from anywhere globally. It offers unlimited hosting and diversified range of lessons types, surveys, videos, downloads, quizzes, live sessions, and much more fully under the user's control. Entrepreneurs can easily share their knowledge and scale their businesses with the most initiative and robust cost platform and website builder offered by this software. Thinkific online course solution is creatively developed for entrepreneurs, creators, consultants, and authors. It compromises a subscription-based pricing strategy. It's made for everybody, I would say, from small, medium to large businesses, also freelancers and individuals that really want to step up their game. They are located in British Columbia, so it's a US-based company. They are providing outstanding 24/7 live support, and you can run it in your web browser easily. Also, if you can see in Thinkific, you can just give them your email and start a free trial. They are pretty, well, you really have to look deeply inside pricing plans, but I managed to find this one for you. And as you can see, you can go either monthly or yearly. Also, they are providing a free option for your Thinkific. But if you want to go yearly, obviously you are going to pay a bit less, for $39 a month with basic program, then Pro for $79 and Premier for $399. Then monthly is obviously a bit more expensive, for $49 basic, $99 Pro, and $499 Premier. As you can see, this is from their website. You can really look for it, but I think this is more simplified. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.